Did you know people spend over 40 minutes on average watching online video every single day? And that number is growing each and every month. You see, good marketing is and has always been about capturing and holding onto people's attention. And nothing does that better than video. Look, there's just no two ways about it. If you want to be successful in today's competitive online markets, you must use video as a major component of your marketing. However, while most business owners know they need to be using video, the thought of doing so is still very confronting and overwhelming. With all the complex timeline editors, codecs and file formats you need to know, you just about need a PhD in engineering to produce one that looks good. However, the great news is, now that's all changed. Now there's a brand new extremely easy to use video creation system called Content Samurai, that finally makes video marketing quick and easy in every way. I'd even call it fun. No joke, this thing is idiot-proof. Of all the video tools I've seen in my time, this one is hands down the simplest and most efficient way to create powerful videos, even if you've never created a video before. I've been using it for a good few weeks now and I have to say, it is incredible. You can go from a script to YouTube in less than an hour. And the videos it creates are awesome. Plus the best part is you can try it out for yourself for free for a full 7 days, and you get to keep all the videos you make during that time forever. Here's the link below video so you can check it out now.